Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Simon. Agri farm, Agri Olana poultry farm. That's me. Guys, I'm so happy to be part of this beautiful project. I was part of this construction from day one up to this level. It's now working. This is the biogas plant for Aspertop dairy farm, Sweden. This is where I've been doing my training for 1 year and a half to generate for them electricity and hot water during winter to help the farm running. This is the engine room, the mixer chamber, the big one, the reservoirs chamber, the small one, and then the last tank we built the other side for the totally used material. So if you see this project, this is what you can do with your farm waste. So the cow dung from the barn come to this mixer chamber, and then to the reservoir, and then to the end used. Goes from the other tank without roof, can take it to the grass field for more production of grass for the cows. Watch closely. What you're seeing there is where they burn the excess gas which they don't want.